Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. I have a plugin to show you guys for Final Cut Pro. It's completely free, and what it does is, well, it's better if I show you, okay? So we'll go here to the tab. We will go to the title plugin right here. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can download the plugin, and then the dynamic, extreme, regular, and subtle. Okay, so we're going to go with regular. It really doesn't matter which one because we can change all the settings as we need to. So what did this do, you ask? Well, let's go ahead and play it without, and then we'll play it with, okay? So I'm going to turn off this for you guys. Play without, this is without, just bounce, bounce, bounce. And then we will play with. Go back to the beginning, start playing. And you might not see it because it's very subtle. So I'm going to actually change things a bit so you guys can see it a bit more. Now we play, and then I will change this angle a bit as well. Now we're cooking. Yeah, you could change all those settings. Intensify it as much as possible, as much as you want. It adds motion, as you may have guessed. You see those after image sort of shots? That is the motion that it adds. You can play around with how many of the samples, like say you only want 26, or you can dial in a thing manually, like say we only want 15, right? Okay, there, 15 samples, which just means that it won't be as many samples, so you know, you don't get the crazy effect like normal. Or, you know, we can go to the extreme, okay? We can do a bunch of samples here. We could put this at here, bring this all the way to its max, and yeah, just have fun with it. And there you go, there's the emotion blur. Now I also have this image right here to show that you know, it can work on any clip per se. This is from a video game that I make content for called Warframe. I'll leave a card to my other channel wherever YouTube decides to put it this time. So yeah, for this we're going to go dynamic, okay? And we're going to put this here. We are going to go ahead and bring this down to here. And now we are just going to play this, okay? And as you can see, it did add motion to it. Let's make the clip a little longer so you guys can see the full effects of it. It adds motion to it. This is it adding motion. But let's look at the clip without motion and see what's up, right? Okay, so this is it without the motion blur. So as you can see, it adds motion blur to any moving objects in that clip. You don't have to worry about masking anything or anything. Just drop this over it. Again, link in the description below. It's called mMotion Blur by Motion VFX. I am not sponsored at this time by Motion VFX, but I do enjoy a lot of their plugins. So definitely feel free to check them out. And yeah, again, link in the description below. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.